So over here you can see that I have some pictures right here, and using the navigator what I can actually do is I can go ahead and then view out different parts of the image, as you can see right here, just like this. So over here you can see that I have the grid view to view all of the photos right here, and the other view that I have is the loop view, as you can see right here, just like this, which allows me to actually go ahead and zoom in and see different parts of the image right here. So over here, you can see that right now it's a fit right here. You can also go ahead onto fill mode right here so that I can see all of these things right here. And apart from that, you can also see that I have different options right here. Like I can go ahead and choose the zoom in percentage right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can see that I got 800% or 6% right here, just like this. So you can go for fit or the fill percentage, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. So now if I want to go around over here onto, let's say for example, the loop view and the zoom view. So you can see that this is the loop view right here, just like this. I can go around over here and press Z on my keyboard to go to the group view right there, and then I can press E to go back to the loop view right here, which is the one picture only view right here. So let's say for example, if I want to view the picture in full screen, I can actually go around and press F on my keyboard, and then you got the full screen mode. I can now use the arrow keys to actually go ahead and see the other photos from the grid as I want from over here as well. So I can go ahead and press F key again to go back out of the full screen mode right there. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then utilize the library view options and its properties to see the images in different ways. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.